once the stream started. Okay. Oh, Lobster! Vamos, hello! Hello, welcome to the stream! Oh my lord. Yep, we're making some chicken. No. If you look at the title, I'm making I think it's like probably my best wings I've ever made. And very simple, very little ingredients, but it does, taste amazing. You just gotta, care for the chicken, You just gotta care for the chicken. Welcome to the stream, guys. I'm sorry if I didn't stream lunchtime. I was going to, like I mentioned yesterday, but I woke up late, so yeah, I'm really sorry about that. Just gonna move this potato starch aside. Alright. Hang on, let me just wash my hands, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna move this aside. Alright, so we got some chicken wings. I care so much about my seasoning, so I only put salt and pepper in it, and I do it on both sides. If you just do it on one side, your chicken's not gonna taste. It's gonna taste like shit. So today we're actually gonna cook it on the air fryer. So I'll probably preheat my air fryer right now. Probably preheat it for 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm still in America. I'm still in America. That's why I'm doing a cooking stream. I haven't got any access to the computer for GTA RP, so yeah, he basically has gained weight from me feeding him too much, so alright, so I'm gonna put some pepper, and then I got some kosher salt. Just gonna coat my chicken. It's very simple, guys. I'm gonna give a recipe for this chicken when I actually release my digital cookbook, my my ebook. So a lot of people have said yes to me making a cookbook. So I'm actually gonna be doing that, but I will do it like in an illustration style. So hopefully you guys can try my recipes out. You know, some of the just some of the things that I cook, I get from as an inspiration, or I make it up myself. So you know, it's always helpful for me to like watch cooking videos or like cooking shows, or so good. All right. Oh, Davey, thank you. Davey! Your devil's gonna help me chat, and be nice to him, okay? Be nice. If I see any bullying on my boyfriend, I swear to God, devil will be brought upon you. Alright, so what I'll do, I'm just gonna add the rest of the chicken with some salt and pepper. And yes, I put a lot of seasoning. Like I said, I care about my food. You gotta season your fucking meat. If you don't, then it's gonna taste like shit. Alright? Gonna taste like shit. Even your mom says, you know, if you don't taste your food, if you don't season it, it's gonna taste like shit. Alright. So it may seem like I put a lot of seasoning. It really helps for when I make the sauce. Say hello, baby.
Hello, baby.
Oh my God. Say hello to the chat, baby.
Hello, chat.
Also, thank you for the 17 months.
17 months, guys. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Can?
Yeah. Hello. Say hello to Devil Chat. Also, if you hear like some rumbling in the background, it's the dryer.
They ain't gonna hear it. They ain't gonna hear it.
Oh, can you get the camera and then can you grab the sesame seed upstairs?
Upstairs?
Upstairs? Up the cabinet.
You guys do not hear it. I barely hear it.
Thank you.
The sesame
Yeah.
oil?
Seed. It is on the right side. The right corner. Up.
There it is.
Thank you. Alright. So I've made some rice as well.
Here at New Zealand. Hi from Australia. Hi, EXO. Say hi, EXO.
Hello. Wait, are you from? Wait, is he from Australia?
You might be hearing the fan. The fan's on right here.
Yeah.
They don't hear the dryer.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna cart our chicken. So we got all of our chicken carted. Now the next part is gonna be really messy. But this is the stage where it is quite important for when I put this on the air fryer, because normally with the air fryer, say you wanting to fry up some fried chicken or something, or like fish and chips, there will be times where the air fryer needs some oil as a support. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Oh, baby girl's behind.
It's a devil's for sure. What's the white stuff in there? That's rice.
Yeah, that's rice. I'm cooking up some rice, sir.
Nadine says, how do you like the air fryer? Tried it before, but mine wouldn't cook right.
I honestly love the air fryer. I think for me, making these wings. Sorry, I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry, I'm gonna. Sorry.
She said it wouldn't get crispy. Any tips?
Oh, wouldn't get crispy. Make sure, sir. For example, if you're cooking like say chicken or pork or even beef, make sure you coat the whole meat with oil. So if you got cooking spray or at least like veg oil, wait, no, yeah, I got veg oil here, so I'm probably, sir, it's gonna sound ridiculous, but I'm gonna dredge some oil here. And what I'm trying to do is I'm coating the whole chicken with the oil, and this will help the chicken go crispy for when I put it in the air fryer. So I'm gonna do a double frying stage. So the first part, I'm gonna double fry this for about 15 minutes in 380 degrees Fahrenheit. So probably Celsius. Oh shit, I don't know in Celsius. Oh baby, sure baby girl. Yeah. Baby.
Trust me, guys, it tastes good. She doesn't need to change a thing. Baby girl. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oops, sorry, babe.
Yeah, but take it from me, I have tried to fry chicken before in the air fryer. The problem is that, oh baby, if you don't have,
Hey, baby. What?
like, if you don't have oil to fry it, then it's not gonna go crispy. So make sure you coat the whole meat with oil. So what I'm doing right now, I know it's a really messy thing and it looks disgusting, but
I don't give a shit what it looks like. It tastes good.
yeah.
Probably the best wings I've ever had.
Yeah. For the other things, so if you think about it, guys, for those of you who haven't tried air fryer, so the air fry is basically like a portable oven.